Let's learn how to do the double crochet stitch in a chain. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level.
Let's learn the double crochet stitch.
We will start by making the chain, which begins with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers away from you, creating an X. At the top of the X, insert your hook under the first strand of yarn and pull up the back piece of yarn. Carefully remove your fingers and pull your yarn tails until you've secured a knot. Tighten the loop around your hook. And now it's time to chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. This creates one chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through, and now we have your second chain stitch. And you'll continue to yarn over and pull through until you have your desired number of chains. The double crochet stitch requires 2 turning chains. In this example, I'll be making 10 double crochet stitches, so I'll need to start with a chain of 10 plus 2 for a total of 12 chains.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Now we're ready to double crochet. We're going to skip the first 2 chains and work in the 3rd chain from your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the chain stitch. Now yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. And again, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. This creates one double crochet stitch. Now working into the next chain stitch, we will repeat that, yarn over and insert your hook into the chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And now we have our second double crochet stitch. From the top of the stitches, you can see here is the first and the second. And you'll just continue working the double crochet stitches in each chain until you've reached the last one. And here I'll work my last double crochet stitch. And I have a total of 10 double crochet stitches. The top of each double crochet stitch will have 2 loops forming a V shape. It's always a good idea to count your stitches before moving on to your next round to make sure that you didn't miss any chains or add any extra double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You'll work your next row into the top loops of your double crochet stitches that you just made. First, you'll need a turning chain, so yarn over and pull through, creating one chain stitch, and again, yarn over and pull through, creating a second chain stitch. Now, you'll turn your work so that you can work your next row of stitches directly across. And working into your first double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the top of that double crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops on your hook, and again yarn over and draw through the remaining 2 loops on your hook, creating your first double crochet stitch. And again, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, and again yarn over and draw through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. You can continue that across. Making sure that you go under both loops of the double crochet stitch that you are working into. When you reach the end of the row, be sure that you work that last stitch into the top of the double crochet stitch and not into that turning chain. Any additional rows will be worked in the same fashion with a chain 2, turn, and double crochet across. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. For more tutorials and free crochet patterns, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.